Traveling is one of the best ways to experience the world. But have you ever thought about the impact your trips have on the environment? From carbon footprints to plastic waste, tourism can take a toll on our planet, but it doesn't have to. In this video, we'll share simple eco-friendly travel tips to help you explore responsibly, minimize waste, and even give back to the communities you visit. Whether you're a digital nomad, an adventure seeker, or a budget traveler, these sustainable travel hacks will help you see the world without harming it. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips, and hit that like button if you're ready to become a more responsible traveler. Not all travel destinations are created equal when it comes to sustainability. Some countries are leading the way in ecotourism, like Costa Rica, Iceland, and Bhutan. These places prioritize conservation, community-based tourism, and renewable energy. But even if you're not visiting a well-known green travel destination, you can still make a difference. Look for sustainable hotels that are certified by organizations like Green Key or EarthCheck. Many eco-friendly stays use solar power, recycle waste, and support local communities. Need help finding one? A quick search for eco-conscious accommodations can guide you to places that align with your values. Did you know the heavier your luggage, the more fuel a plane burns? Packing light not only saves you money on baggage fees, but also helps reduce your carbon footprint. Here's a sustainable packing list to consider. A reusable water bottle with a built-in filter. Bamboo or metal straws instead of plastic. A solid shampoo bar to cut down on plastic waste. A lightweight reusable shopping bag for markets and groceries. Every little swap adds up to big changes for the planet. Let us know in the comments what eco-friendly items you always pack when traveling. One of the best ways to travel sustainably? Slow down. The slow travel movement encourages staying in one place longer, immersing yourself in local culture, and reducing transportation emissions. Instead of hopping on short-haul flights, take trains, buses, or even cycle to explore. Not only does this lower your carbon footprint, but it also lets you experience places more authentically. When you shop or eat, support small businesses and family-run restaurants. This keeps money in the community and fosters regenerative tourism that benefits locals. Want to be a true eco-conscious traveler? Follow these simple plastic-free travel hacks. Say no to single-use plastics. Carry a reusable cutlery set. Dispose of waste properly, and recycle whenever possible. Consider volunteerism carefully. Make sure the organization truly benefits the community. Even small actions, like refusing a plastic straw or picking up litter on a hike, help keep the planet beautiful for future travelers. Travel should be about creating memories, not waste. By making small, mindful choices, we can enjoy the beauty of our planet while protecting it for generations to come. Want more green travel tips? Check out our travel blog at ALLMYNE.com for in-depth guides on responsible tourism and the best eco-friendly destinations. And if you're looking for an app to help you plan meaningful and sustainable travel experiences, download ALLMYNE today, available on the Apple Store and Google Play Store. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite sustainable travel hack, and subscribe for more travel content. We post new travel videos every week. Let's explore the world responsibly and make every journey count.